Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. A meso compound is an achiral molecule that contains stereocenters but has an internal plane of symmetry, making it optically inactive despite having chiral centers. Moving on to the next step. Determine possible structural isomers of C4H8Cl2 that can have stereocenters. The molecular formula C4H8Cl2 has degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 to 8, 2 is equal to 1, but Cl counts as H equivalents, so DU is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 to 8, 0, 2 is equal to 1. Wait, recalculating, DU is equal to C plus 2 plus NHX, 2 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 to 8, 2, 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 to 8, 2, 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2 equals 0. So no rings or double bonds, it is a saturated dichlorobutane. Moving on to the next step. Enumerate the structural isomers of dichlorobutane, C4H8Cl2. 1. 1-dichlorobutane, CH2Cl2, CH2, CH2, CH3, no stereocenters. 1. 2-dichlorobutane, CHCl2 placement. CHCl-CH, Cl, C2 and C3 could be stereocenters depending on substitution. 1. 3-dichlorobutane, CH2Cl, CH2, CHCl, CH3, 1 stereocenter at C3. 1. 4-dichlorobutane, ClCH to CH to CH to CH to Cl, no stereocenters. 2. 2-dichlorobutane, CH3, CCl2, CH2, CH3, no stereocenters. 2. 3-dichlorobutane, CH3, CHCl, CHCl, CH3, 2 stereocenters at C2 and C3. 3. 3-dichlorobutane, same as 2 by renaming. 1. 2-dichlorobutane, CH3CH2, CHCl, CH2Cl, 1 stereocenter. And for the final step, identify which structural isomers can have a meso form. For a meso compound, we need at least 2 stereocenters with an internal plane of symmetry. 2. 3-dichlorobutane, CH3, CHCl, CHCl, CH3 is the key candidate. C2 and C3 are both stereocenters. The molecule is symmetric, CH3 on both ends. The R, S or S, R configuration gives the meso form because C2 and C3 bear the same 4 groups, H, Cl, CH3, and the other CHCl, CH3 group, and the internal plane of symmetry between C2 and C3 makes the molecule achiral. The R, R, and S, S forms are enantiomers, not meso. Check other isomers for meso possibility. 1. 3-dichlorobutane, CH2Cl, CH2, CHCl, CH3, only 1 stereocenter at C3 cannot be meso. 1. 2-dichlorobutane, CH3CH2, CHCl, CH2Cl, only 1 stereocenter at C3, C2 is CH2Cl, not a stereocenter, cannot be meso. All other isomers have no stereocenters. Count meso isomers. Only 2, 3-dichlorobutane yields exactly 1 meso isomer, the R, S form. Why other options fail? A. 0 is wrong because 2, 3-dichlorobutane does have a meso form. C. 2 and D. 3 overcount. No other structural isomer of C4H8Cl2 produces a meso compound. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.